Okay, let's go back to our master example file and talk a little bit about writing these. Now, I sort of told you the formula, which is, these kind of two main things we're looking for. We're looking for a tonic chord in 6/4 inversion, followed by a root position 5 chord, so the bass note is the same. And you can see here, our bass note is the same because this A holds through to here. So let's talk about a couple other tips for writing them. When you're writing these, you should try to, and this isn't like a really strict rule, it just sounds good and is, I don't know, maybe kind of a soft rule, let's call it. Approach them from a predominant harmony. So a 4, a 2, something like that tends to work best. So kind of like what we have here, we have a 2 and then our cadential 6/4. Put it on the strong beat. So start your cadential 6/4 on a strong beat whenever possible. So the downbeat, possibly the third beat, 4 and 4/4, something like that. Strong beats are good for starting it. Always resolve down. This is one where, in other lessons we've talked about, you can resolve up or down or these other things. 99.9% of the time, we resolve a tonic or a cadential 6/4 down. So here, what we're doing here is the third resolves down to the fifth, and the tonic resolves down to the third of the next chord, and our fifth resolves by not moving to the tonic of our 5 chord. So we resolve down. That's how we do this. It's just kind of the sound of the cadential 6/4 is a downward resolution. So you don't want to do it up, and when it comes to making good voice leading, you're going to have a hard time doing it going up anyway. It would not work very well. So don't even try. Do it going down. So that's kind of it for my tips on that. Now we're going to look at a couple other kinds of 6/4 chords coming up. Some things you can do, some special properties of the 6/4 chord. So we're going to move on to neighboring 6/4 chords. But before that, let's throw in a little worksheet so you can practice writing some of these things.